Hello everyone, I am Ariamini from the AI for All Revers YouTube channel. Today we are embarking on an exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence engineering. Have you ever wondered how computers can learn and solve complex problems that were once thought to be exclusive domain of human intelligence? That's the power of AI engineering, and it's a field that rapidly transforms our world. In this video, we are going to explore the fascinating path to become an AI engineer, even if you are starting from scratch with no prior programming experience. We'll break down the essential skills and knowledge you need to succeed in this in-demand field. So whether you're a curious student, a career changer, or simply fascinated by the potential of AI, this video is for you. Get ready to dive into the world of machine learning, deep learning, and algorithms that are shaping the future of technology. Before we delve into the specifics, let's start with a fundamental question: what exactly is an AI engineer? An AI engineer is a skilled professional who designs, develops, and implements intelligent systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These engineers work on a wide range of projects, from creating self-driving cars to building intelligent chatbots and developing predictive algorithms for businesses. Now that we have a clear understanding of what an AI engineer does, let's break down the steps you can take to become one. 1. Master the basics of programming. Programming is the language that computer understand. It's like learning a new language, but instead of words and phrases, you're learning how to write instructions for computer. Python is a great choice for beginners in AI because it's easy to learn and has a vast array of libraries specifically designed for machine learning, for example NumPy, Pandas, or Matplotlib. 2. Delve into the world of math and statistics. Math and statistics form foundation of machine learning. They help you understand how machine learning algorithms work and how to apply them to real-world problems. Why? You don't need to be a math genius. You should be comfortable with basic concepts like algebra, calculus, and probability. 3. Explore data structures and algorithms. Data structures are different ways of organizing data in a computer, while algorithms are step-by-step instructions for solving problems. Both data structures and algorithms are crucial for efficiency handling and processing data in machine learning. 4. Master the fundamentals of machine learning. Machine learning is divided into three main categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data. Unsupervised learning involves finding patterns in unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning involves training an agent to take actions in an environment. 5. Discover the power of deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that utilizes artificial neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, neural networks can tackle complex problems with remarkable accuracy. 6. Choose a specialization that aligns with your interests. Within the vast realm of AI engineering, there are numerous specializations to explore. Some popular areas include computer vision, natural language processing, speech recognition, and recommender systems. Remember, journey to becoming an AI engineer takes time, dedication, and willingness to learn, but with perseverance and the right approach, you can achieve your goals and become a part of this exciting and rapidly evolving field. In the next video, we'll take a deeper dive into the basics of programming. So stay tuned and get ready to embark on this transformative journey. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Please comment below to let us know what you think of this video. We are eager to read your comments.